Thuy Maca-Almond Beverage. Have you ever tried raw maca powder? Here's one of my maca beverage recipes. 600 milliliters of plain unsweetened almond or cashew milk. 1 teaspoon of maca powder. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Stevia to taste. All ingredients, preferably organic. Either put all ingredients in a glass bottle and shake it vigorously. If you choose to blend it, shred the chia in the blender to avoid them to clump together. Otherwise, if you choose the shaking option, it may be necessary to shake the bottle during 2 seconds every minute for a total of 4 to 5 times to prevent clumping. Again, it's time to enjoy both the taste and all the health benefits.